Hey man, what's up? So I want to show you something really neat. I hope you're going to see the potential in this, the way that I do. So here's the thing. You already know my YouTube management system. One of the things that I had way before, is this neat little tab where I keep videos that I want to reference or I want to learn from. So, for example, this guy is a little bit weird. I had yesterday, a couple of hours where all I did was kind of organized my watch later list into actual lists. You see, like full stack projects or AI agency. So I'm going to go, for example, to this one. Okay, and there are quite a lot of those videos where you know what I'm talking about, like for example, this guy, how to service your first AI automation agency client. Let's actually try this one live. Okay, so
in this
these guys, they're typically just looking to sell their service or product or course or coaching, and then sometimes you get some value of the video, but you have to sit through 15 minutes and 37 seconds, which is a lot. And then sometimes you don't get,
video, I'm going to be
you don't get an ROI on your time. So I was thinking how I can make this thing more efficient. Now Airtable just introduced, and I'm on the beta here, a new field, AI field, okay, where essentially you can ask a question and then you get answers. And I tried to work with that, and it actually does work, except that I had my credits ran out pretty fast. So what I did is just integrated my own AI, and I want to show you what I did. We're gonna hide that field, and this is kind of neat. And I gotta say, if you like this, the way that this thing works, it's quite easy to install something similar to you. All right, so let's say that I want
in this video
this guy again. I want to kind of distill the message. Now, mind you, this is a live testing. I mean, I didn't even, this is just a random video that I chose one. I have no idea if we're going to succeed or not. Let's try to distill the value of this video without investing 15 minutes and 37 seconds. So the first thing that I do is I'm going to take this video to my YouTube data structure, and this is done with this web clipper by Airtable. I already had that, and the way that this works, you get the video. All this is being populated automatically just because it's a YouTube page, and I can add some notes here. Okay, I wonder if this will be worth watching. And I'm adding it here. Okay, you can click on show on Airtable, but I know it's gonna wait here. Okay, it's even smart enough to get the thumb, which is really nice. We got all that. Now I want to kind of work on the script, which is what I'm going to do. First, I'm getting the transcript. Oh boy, I know why that doesn't work. So let's apologies. Let's bring that back to a live server. Let's see if that works. Should work. So this is quite straightforward. It should get the transcript for us in a second. The server is being warmed up now. This is one huge chunk of text, and of course it's not valuable to us. So the first thing that I'm going to do, and this is already AI, I'm asking it to organize it for me. At the moment I need to kind of pull the prompt, but this will be automated also. Okay, so I'm organizing it. Why is it answer question, organize transcript? Okay, and we should get it here in a second. It's going to be broken to paragraphs. At this point and on, by the way, I can already do whatever I want. I mean, I can add and you're gonna see that in a second. Let me stop it. All right, we got it. So this is broken to paragraph. It's also punctuated, and I mean, I asked it not to change the text, but I'm assuming it may have made some changes. You see, this is, we can work on the prompt. Now this guy, he likes to talk. So the next thing that I'm going to do is summarize transcript. And in this part, I essentially just ask for a summary. And let's see what we're gonna get from it. This one should be shorter. I'm gonna stop it. Yeah, this took like 5 seconds, and we got the summary, by the way. The next time I'm gonna ask it to give us spaces. This is easier to read, and I mean, I remind you that yeah, I record this video, so it takes some time, but essentially the whole thing can be completely automated, and then I just get this, and I save me 15 minutes, and I can read it, and I got, you know, the whole thing summarized here. Then I'm asking to extract the message, which essentially kind of, if there is a system or process, then give it to me step by step. Otherwise, get me the core message. And there we go. This should have spaces between it. You see? Identify client needs and potential value, which is really nice, because there you kind of start to really hit the point here, you know? You get the idea what, because most of them are kind of clickbait, you know what I mean? And finally, this is a really nice thing. This lets you answer specific questions on the video. So I'm giving it context, where I'm a business owner, automation agency, and I want to provide additional product services to my clients with as little effort as possible. Delegate as much as possible, not to clients, to let's say to virtual assistant. Okay. And then I'm going to ask it questions, and you can ask as many as you want. Can you provide me a list of actionable steps to create income channel, and create a product or a service based on the described method? What parts of the, let's say in the video, and what parts of the method in the video can I delegate to an unqualified remote assistant with no prior knowledge and with only minimal training or supervision on my part? And we need, of course, the prompt. So this is the prompt, and I insert here the context and my questions, and I tell him how to answer them. Let's do it. Should get actionable steps here also. Identify potential AI automation service that aligns. So I mean, there is much to, there is a lot to optimize here still, but I hope you can see the potential. And like I said, I mean, if in the end you kind of see, okay, this video is worth watching, and I notice that some of them are completely not, then you can always go back and watch the video, which is nice. I'm thinking where else to take it. All right, if you have anything smart to say about it, or of course you want something like that on your side, then just let me know.